Hello, Federal viewers. Today we've got with us Para Shatla and Arjuna awardee Tulasimati Murugesan. Tulasi, thank you so much for talking to us. Firstly, let me
Thank you,
ask,
ma'am.
how was the feeling when the announcement came? What were you doing? What were the parents feeling?
First of all, it was so emotional, and this award means a lot to me. Actually, I was attending my classes. I'm studying veterinary third year, so my classes will get over at 5 p.m. But the announcement came at 3 p.m., so I didn't see. After 1 hour, after the class is over, I just opened my phone, and it was filled with congratulations and the wishes, and the media people already they were coming through my college, and they were waiting in my dean's office. So I was so excited, and I called my father, mother, and my sister, and I spoke. They were so happy, and it was so emotional moment.
Let's talk about that semi-final, that all-Indian semi-final. How was it? How was the experience? I'm sure you played Manisha in other matches as well. But playing in a
Yeah.
Paralympic semi-final, how was it? Was there any kind of pressure?
We already played almost 2 to 3 times before, and I have won her in the straight sets. So I also won in Paralympics in the straight game. So it went like that. Very happy that after she won bronze medal, she cried, and we hugged each other, and I'm very happy for her, and she's also getting an Arjuna award. After the finals, I felt little disappointed because we have been working this hard for getting a gold medal. I thought it just missed by my mistakes. But after coming to the country and meeting all our people, they were celebrating this silver medal. Then I understood that no, we didn't lose gold. We have won silver medal for our country. So it was very emotional. And national anthem is played for gold medals, but our country flag has been hoisted for me in the Paralympics. So that participating was my dream, but getting a silver medal is very, very bigger thing for me. So very emotional moment that was, and I couldn't hold up my tears.
Beautiful, beautifully said. Let's go back to the past and can you tell us about how and when you started playing the sport? Let us know about a little bit about the past.
I started to play badminton since 11 years. My father is the one who introduced sports into my life, and he's the one who trained badminton to me first. Every week, my father used to make us play one sport. First, we played hockey.
Oh,
Then by the end of that week, he used to ask us, me and my sister, did you like this sport? Then we said, yes, Appa, we like this sport very much. Then he stopped that game that day, and the next week we played tennis. So like this, we played almost all the game, like tennis, table tennis, football, volleyball, throwball, every sport. That one week we came to play badminton. So by the end of the week, my father asked us, did you like this sport? Then we said, no, Appa, this is very hard. We couldn't hold the pen in the class. Then that time he told, you both are going to take this game as professional game, and that's how it started. And my father went and studied coaching for us to coach us because you don't want to leave to some other coach asking them to take his daughters to the highest level. So he just went and completed the coaching course to coach us. And I have been a national medalist for the continuous 4 years, not in para. I played with the able body athletes and won the nationals in continuous 4 years during my 9th to 12th class. I think para athletes will get more. Experience when we play with able body athletes. So it was like that. And in 2023, I got an opportunity to play in international tournament in para. For this 1.5 years, I went 15 international tournaments, 15 countries, and I have won 16 gold medals, 11 silver medals, and 7 bronze medals. And the most emotional moment is after Asian Para Games, I just dedicated the medal to my father. I won gold, silver, bronze, 3 medals in Chennai Airport. I just kneeled down and I dedicated the medal to my father. That was my first ever victory. That After my father did everything, I just wanted to give him a 1% back to him. So that was my emotional moment.
I can see that you get your strength and resilience from your father who's done so much, sacrificed so much for your career. And right now you are studying veterinary also. And how are you managing your sport and academics? And you've mentioned that you've been, shining in academics at school too. Let us know about that. How are you managing it?
What my father used to do is he used to make us addicted with the game, and he used to blackmail us. Like if you study only, then I'll allowed to play, and I will take you to the stadium. So for that, we during school days, for that we used to study and complete the homework that day. So it started like that, and later we never celebrate, we never do some such unwanted entertainments. Our routine is like going to practice, coming back, going to school, and then coming back and then studying. That was our routine for the past 17 years till now. So I think our goal is to achieve in life, both in studies as well as sports.
I just want to ask if there is one quote or one saying which you believe in. Can you tell us that? What is one quote that you would believe in?
Failure is not the end, failure is an opportunity to learn. I always believe that if someone can do it, I can do it. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Yeah, I think I just wanted to tell everyone who are going through tough times to reach their goal, and they are struggling, who are facing lots of struggles to reach their goal. Don't stop to dream, don't stop to work on it. If you if you go behind your dreams, one day success will definitely reach you. So yeah.
Beautiful. I think you are a statement, living that statement. Um, Lastly, Tulasi, what are the plans going forward? What are the plans in cards for you? Are you going to rest a little bit, focus on academics, or what are you planning?
Now I'm just planning to train harder than last year, and else I'm going to start from the scratch as if I have not won any medals. So I'm going to start from the scratch for this year.
Beautiful. I think that's the attitude that's going to put you in a lot of
Yeah.
places and bring us a lot of medals in the future. Thank you. Thank you so much for talking to us, Tulasi. It was a pleasure
Thank
talking
you,
to
man.
you.
Thank